Now, there's a theologian that says that God doesn't measure the worth of a man by what is in his mind, but God takes the measuring tape and he measures his heart. And so growing up in church, I've heard a common phrase, especially in Afrikaans, hulle sê, dis 'n hartsaak. Die Here ken my heart. And the question that I often ask for individuals like that is, but do you know the heart of God? You see, when David sinned against God, God said, I'm no longer going to speak to you as I used to, David, because we no longer share the same heart. You see, David's heart became filled with the things of this world, and sooner or later he started drifting away from God. And so then God appoints a man by the name of Nathan, and so whenever David now needs to ask something of God, he can no longer go face to face with God, but he needs to go via the prophet. And so in today's time, we also want to go via the pastor, because we don't share the heart of God any longer. And so pastor, bid jy maar vir my, want as ek die Here vra, die Here ken ek is